When you shop in Pinal County as opposed to Maricopa County, your county taxes stay in your county. If you go to Queen Creek, Maricopa County, you're enhancing their community because you're putting your money in their coffer. And I've heard that there's anywhere between 15 and 30% of all sales tax collected in Queen Creek comes from Santan Valley. Now, I don't know what the total amount of sales tax is that's collected in the town of Queen Creek, but I would say it's a significant amount. And if we would have a city sales tax, that money would stay in our community. And we shouldn't be building fire stations for Queen Creek. We shouldn't be building aquatic parks for Queen Creek that Santan Valley is not able to use. A lot of people are upset over that, and I can see their thought, but the taxpayers should be entitled to use them. If you're paying city sales tax, and the city sales tax actually funded that, then by all rights, you should be able to use it, but you don't live in that city. So it's taxation without representation. The state sales tax that we pay in the form of income tax, vehicle tax, our vehicle inspection fees, all of that money that goes to the state, for us to capture $53 million, that's just a drop in the bucket. I don't know how much money they collect statewide, but that 5% sales tax was implemented along with the state income taxes. It was implemented to collect an excess amount of taxes so that they could funnel it back to the towns so they could help them pay for the required services. So we're paying for that, and it's benefiting 91 municipalities. 91 municipalities in the state of Arizona are collecting state share revenue that we're paying, and 45 of those communities do not have a city property tax. So everyone says, or not everyone, but several people said, well, 46 cities have higher property taxes than we do. But they don't say 45 cities don't have any city sales or city property tax. So it's 50-50. And I did a little research. Not one town, not one municipality in Arizona has ever filed bankruptcy. So if you get the right people in the job as town council, and they're fiscally responsible, and they don't spend more money than what they collect, we can be successful.